now we're going to add almonds to the caramel. You don't have to be real careful about it now. It's cooled down quite a bit. There, isn't that beautiful? This caramel is just lovely.
Aren't you going to add some mayo to that?
No mayo. We've already added our butter.
Oh.
That's all we need in our caramel, no mayo. All right, isn't that beautiful?
Julia here, subbing in for Wilson. We have just finished our caramel nutting the nuts. We're going to add the caramel nut mixture to our prepared crumb crust pan now. Ready? Here we go. Be very careful not to drop this on yourself. Now you take your wooden spoon and you're going to spread the caramel to the edges of the pan like this. It helps if you talk in French as you do this. It makes it if you talk in French as you do this, it makes it taste better. I don't know very much French, so I'll have to settle for bonjour. Eclair. Oui. Bonjour. Bonjour, oui. Excellent. Now let's add the rest of the caramel to the smaller pan. Just to test the validity of the French talking, we're going to speak in Spanish. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Su madre está bien? Mi madre está bien también. Sí. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? There. Now that we've added the caramel pans and spoke to them in the proper languages, we're going to add these back to the 350-degree oven for 10 minutes.
And we're now ready to pull our wonderful bars out of the oven. They've been in here for all of 10 minutes. You want to be careful with these. They're going to be a little messy. So you don't want to spill it on yourself. And these are going to have to sit up for a little while. But aren't they beautiful? Oh, yes. Now once these have cooled and set up a bit, then you can take them out of the pan and let them finish cooling and then cut them into your bars. Happy holidays. Yeah, Auntie. Oh. For our next recipe, we need some fresh eggs. And Wolfall and I, we grow the best, the prettiest eggs. See you in your next sugar cookie.